soul's oil gold. Ground belong you, me. Benji, you me strong, you me free for eternity. We honor our ancestors, their struggles and their dreams, the foundation they laid, the hope that still gleams for a brighter future for generations to come. Papua New Guinea, our love for you will never be outdone. 50 years of progress, we've come so far, building our nation, reaching for the stars. Challenges we face, together we overcome. Benji, our beloved country, our home. Happy Independence Day, Papua New Guinea. Our voices rise, our spirits free, celebrating our heritage, our destiny, a golden jubilee for all the world to see. You me strong, you me smart, you me got hope. Work hard, building future, no scope. Education, health, development, you me go. Benji, you paradise, everyone know. From the Sepik River to the Kokoda Trail, our people are resilient, their spirit will not fail. We face the challenges, we stand tall